Did you know that you can launch your own Shopify store today without spending single dollar upfront? That's 100% right. Shopify will give you free trials in 2025. So in this video, exactly I'm gonna show you how you can set up step by step for your free trial. No credit card, no risks, and no confuse. Just clean path and getting started on the right way. So in today's video, we will follow the exact structure, exact roadmap that I am showing you. So we will learn here the we'll covering for example how to sign up on Shopify Retail, quick tour, Shopify dashboard, and set up your first product, and then basic design and tweak and make your store looks professional. And what happened when you end the free trials, I will tell you everything. So stay with me. By the end of the day, I will show you everything. So guys, our first step, we need to open our shopify.com. So and then also we have to click the start free trial. So let's do it. And then also let me tell you, enter the email and password and choose the store name, and Shopify gives you 3-day free trials, and after that you will get change to continue with the 100% free tricks. Okay, so let's go to the shopify.com first. Let's go to the shopify.com. So I'm gonna copy this and then I'm gonna go to my different profile. Let's go to the another profile. Let's paste it so that I can show you easily, because my previous account I already logged in Shopify. That's why I cannot show you the beginner whenever you will come to Shopify and then what the next step. Okay, so let's copy paste this name, and then after that there you will see the options to sign up your store. As you can see, actually showing your country. You have to select your own country that you want to select. So but if you forget to select your country, next time you have to contact support, you have to connect with the contact support with Shopify, and then Shopify will do it for you. But I will recommend first of all you should do that. Okay, so and then after that you have to click it sign up with Google. It will show you your Google account. So if you click on over here, it will take to the next step. So click on the next, and then if you are if you don't have the Gmail account login yet, so all you have to do is just you need to click the sign up with email, and from here guys you have to give your email and password, and then after that you have to click continue. So I will follow the first step that I already showed you. So you can sign up with email. So I'm going to click on over here, and after that it will take a while to login. As you can see guys, you can see that you get 3-day free trials and then 3 months for $1. Okay, so you will get first of all 3 months for free, and then you will get 3-day free trial, and 3 months for not free. You will get $1 to spend 3 months. Okay, so first of all you have to do is just you need to click the sign up for Google, login with sign up. Because once you click on that, you will see your email. So you have to select your own email account. So if you don't have email account login yet, you have to write manually. Okay, so you have to follow the next step. As you can see, holding back to Shopify, it will take to our Shopify. So here we have to take our plan. So to take your plan, first of all you have to just you need to give your first name, last name, and card number, and then also address. And then also guys, you can skip forward. Okay, so if you skip that, you don't have to do that. Then you have to follow the next step. So okay guys, I hope you completely understand. And after following the next step, customize your setup. So all you have to do just you need to go back. Okay, so it will take to your Shopify dashboard. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds to loading. So guys, that's our login on Shopify. I already told you how you can get free trials. So right now I'm gonna give you a quick tour about the Shopify dashboard. So once we are at the Shopify dashboard, you have to I will be able to control everything. So from here you will manage your product order and design. And for now, let's give you the quick tour of the Shopify design. Okay, so all you have to do just you need to click on the whoever product and then online store and customize apps. Okay, let's go to the Shopify dashboard. Okay guys, as you can see, this is our Shopify dashboard. Under the product guys, if you click on the product, as you can see we have a order, product, customer, and then marketing, discount, content, market, analytics, and then also we have a an online store, and then also as you can see apps option, everything we have. And then also at the very top, as you can select plan to get 3 months free for $1. Okay, so that's pretty simple and straightforward. So all you have to do is to refresh again. If you are seeing this is loading and loading and again loading. So as you can see guys, this is our product. So from here, as you can see, previously we have uploaded a couple of products, but right now I'm going to show you how we can add product from scratch. So as you can see, you have to click on the add product. So from here we have to give our product title and then description, and then also product media. If you click on over here, it will take to the Shopify media. But if you want to add new image, you have to come to your file, and then also from here you can add. Okay, so and after that guys, you can do it for the let's go to the next step. So from here you can add your price, compare price, and then also how many product available, and your for example variant, you can give your size, color, and all this stuff. Okay guys, I hope you completely understand how you can actually add your product. So right now I'm going to go to the collection. After adding the product, you can create your own collection. Okay, so guys, I already show you that how you can add the products. So right now I'm going to move to basic to design, and then okay, so what make your store look professional. So first of all you have to go to the online store, then you have to go to the theme. Then Shopify default theme is down theme. It's free and perfect for beginner, and click on the customization, like all the thing I already write it here. So if you want the sheet, so you can follow you can comment me I want the sheet, and then I will give you the sheet. Okay, so I'm going to come to the Shopify. First of all I have to click on the online store, and after clicking the online store, it will take sometimes to loading, and then after that you have to click on the customization. As you can see guys, we previously we have created a store design, so I already show you how I can create it. So this is our store banner, here is our menu. So if you want to edit any section, first of all you have to click on the section, and then after that guys you can edit from here. Okay, so if you want to change the menu, so whenever you will log in guys, you used to look, it will be like that. So if you want a new menu, as you can see after the menu you can see the select option, and from here you have to click on the menu. So if you don't know how to create a menu, in my YouTube channel I have a lot of video. Go to my YouTube channel and watch this video and subscribe my channel. Then comment me that I want new menu creation video. I will create a video for you. Okay, so yeah, that's our basic design. So if you want to add any section, so you have to click the add section, and then if you hover over any section, you will see the overview, and then you will see the preview. Okay, how this looks. So you can also add this section, and then whenever you add new section, you have to click on over here, and then you have to click collection. Then if you want to change any section, you have to click on the new candle. You have to select the different collection. So I already told you how you can create the collection. So once everything design done, so you have to click on the save. And now guys, we will follow the step number 5, what happened after free trial send. So I already told you before, I will explain what happened after free trial. So what happened after free trial? So after 3 days, you Shopify will ask you to choose their plan. Don't worry, you won't be changed unless you pick one. So most beginners start with the basic plan like 33 per month, so which gives you the everything to needs to start selling online. But the here's the trick. So use the free trials to build your store first, and then by the end of the day, whenever you store ready, you should take the basic plan, and then you can grow your business. So guys, it was our full video. So I hope you found this video helpful. So if you like this video, and then if you need the sheet, just comment me, I will give you this sheet. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye. By the way guys, this is my agency website. If you need any type of issue, like if you are creating a store but you facing any issue, you come to my website and then click on over here, and then you can directly message me on WhatsApp. You can directly chat with me, and then click on the WhatsApp. You can message me on WhatsApp. And here I will told you that, do you need new website or you want to redesign your website? If you're facing any website, you can say that redesign. That means you are facing any issue. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. So if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, and in future what type of content you are looking for in my channel, just let me know into the comment box. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.